trucks is here, and it looks like nothing you've ever seen before. The 2026 Tesla Cybertruck is pushing boundaries once again, proving that Tesla isn't just making electric vehicles. It's reinventing them, with new enhancements, futuristic design tweaks, and mind-blowing performance. This Cybertruck is set to dominate roads like never before. But is it really the ultimate truck, or just another experiment? Stay tuned, because what we're about to reveal might just change everything you thought you knew about electric trucks. Tesla first unveiled the Cybertruck in 2019, and despite facing multiple production delays, the vehicle finally hit the roads in 2023. Fast forward to 2026, and Tesla has refined its beastly truck, making it more powerful, efficient, and innovative. So, what's changed? And more importantly, is this the version that finally makes Cybertruck the go-to choice for truck enthusiasts? Let's start with the power. The 2026 Cybertruck now features improved battery technology, extending its range beyond 500 miles on a single charge. This means you can drive longer distances without worrying about finding a charger. Tesla has also upgraded its tri-motor and quad-motor configurations, delivering insane acceleration. We're talking about 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks ever built. But it's not just about speed. Tesla has also improved towing capacity, now reaching an incredible 15,000 pounds. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or just want to experience raw power, this Cybertruck delivers. Tesla hasn't stopped at performance. The 2026 model also sees notable design tweaks. The exoskeleton remains just as futuristic and rugged, but now features enhanced durability. The stainless steel armor is more resistant to scratches and dents, and Tesla has improved the shatterproof glass, a much-needed upgrade after that infamous demo fail back in 2019. The aerodynamics have also been slightly adjusted, improving efficiency without compromising that bold cyberpunk aesthetic. The result? A truck that doesn't just look like it's from the future, it performs like it too. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit unlike any other. The massive touchscreen is now even more responsive with upgraded Tesla OS that integrates AI-powered driving assistance. The yoke-style steering wheel remains, but Tesla has introduced a more traditional steering option due to customer demand. The interior now offers more premium material options, giving it a luxury feel without sacrificing its rugged nature. Plus, with a new soundproofing system, the ride is quieter than ever, making long trips more comfortable and enjoyable. Tesla continues to push its full self-driving, FSD technology, and the 2026 Cybertruck takes it a step further. With improved AI, better sensors, and enhanced vision capabilities, Tesla claims this is the closest they've ever come to fully autonomous driving. Imagine hitting the highway, activating FSD, and letting your truck handle the rest. While regulatory approvals are still in progress, Tesla remains confident that the Cybertruck will lead the way in autonomous technology. But here's the real question. Are people ready to trust a self-driving truck? Charging has always been a concern with EVs, but Tesla is addressing this with its latest supercharger network expansion. The 2026 Cybertruck is compatible with V4 superchargers, which can add up to 200 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Tesla is also working on integrating solar charging options, allowing the Cybertruck to gain energy directly from the sun. While not a replacement for traditional charging, it's a step towards greater sustainability and energy independence. With all these advancements, you might be wondering about the price. Tesla has kept the base model around $60,000, but the higher-end configurations can push well beyond $100,000. While this might seem steep, considering its performance, durability, and technology, many believe it's worth the investment. Tesla is aiming for wider availability, ramping up production to meet the increasing demand. However, as with any Tesla vehicle, early buyers might still face some delays. So, is the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck worth it? If you're looking for a truck that offers insane performance, unmatched durability, and futuristic technology, the answer is yes. However, if you prefer a more traditional truck or are hesitant about EV infrastructure, it might not be the best fit just yet. But one thing's for sure, whether you love it or hate it, the Cybertruck is changing the automotive landscape forever. What do you think about the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck? Would you buy one? Or do you think it's just too futuristic for today's world? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.